Hi guys, it's Lana here. Welcome back to Lana Summertime. Finally, I am gonna be getting my curly hair back. Or I'm gonna try to get my curly hair back. I always panic every single time that I've straightened my hair. Whenever I've had like intense heat on my hair, it is a panic to see whether my curls have been damaged. Keep your fingers crossed for me, you guys, because at this point I don't know what's gonna happen. Shall we see if I can get my curls back? I've even made notes to try and remember the routine that I need to follow to get my curls to come back. This is what I've got. I've got a pre-poo, and the reason I'm gonna pre-poo, my hair is like obviously not seen moisture for a long time, and sometimes if you put a lot of water on hair that has been dehydrated for a long time, the hair kind of just like opens the floodgates and it's like, yes, give me water, and it like gorges itself and it gets so full up that it actually becomes unstable and it can actually damage your hair. I cannot remember the word for it, so you just have to try and mitigate that by using a pre-poo, so like an oil or something, just to kind of protect your hair from the amount of water that you're about to throw on it. It's kind of crazy, right? You have to protect your hair from water, but that's what I'm gonna have to do. The next thing that I want to do is a clarifying shampoo. So I'm gonna clarify my hair because I just need to. My hair is greasy. I'm telling you, when you have curly hair naturally, the concept of greasy hair is just not a thing. Like people are like, oh, my hair's so greasy, and you're just like, what? And then suddenly when you straighten your hair, you're like, oh, that's what greasy hair is like. I just want to clarify it all off. So I'm gonna use a clarifying shampoo. Then I'm gonna use a protein conditioner. And I feel like I'm gonna have to do some curl training, and that should hopefully train my hair to remind it what it feels like to be curly. Okay, wish me luck. I'm gonna try to get my curls back. Let's get into the hair wash. Okay guys, so I'm gonna bring you with me into my bathroom today. I know, yay, we don't usually do this. So somebody asked me the other day, how do I film videos where I basically do an entire hair wash on my bed? And the answer is, with great difficulty. Basically, I just get soaking wet and it's not a fun time. So today I'm actually bringing you to the bathroom so that I don't have to do that. These earrings are by a brand called Cartilage Cartel. You guys cannot see anything when I'm just shoving it at you like that. Don't want to lose them down the drain, so I'm taking them off. I'm using, this is a specifically designed shampoo oil, but you can use all sorts of oils for this. You can use like coconut oil, works great for this. This one is by Flora & Co. It's from their Soothe Me line. I will link it down below so you guys can check it out. It's designed to go all over your scalp. I might just chuck on a little bit of coconut oil onto the rest of my hair as well, because I really don't want to have that I'm gonna call it Aqua Shock. Aqua Shock sounds like a good name for it, doesn't it? I do not want to give my hair Aqua Shock, so I'm gonna poo. Remember that phrase, you guys, and if you can think of the actual phrase, then let me know, but I don't have time to Google it right now, so I'm just gonna call it that, and I think it works pretty well. This works best if you section your hair as well, so I should probably do that. So time for the coconut oil. This is the Head to Toe Nourishing Hydration 100% Virgin Coconut Oil from Shea Moisture. Run that all over my hair. Ah, coconut oil smells so good. Side note, has anybody ever eaten coconut macaroons? Because those taste like how this smells. Right, I'm gonna take a wide tooth comb and just try to make sure that all of my hair is coated right now. The best part about going from straight to curly is that I probably won't have any tangles to deal with. Okay, and then with this pre-poo treatment on my hair, I am gonna wait for 1 hour, not 1 hour, I don't have time. I'm gonna wait for 10 minutes with this on my hair, just 10 minutes. Alright, so it's been 10 minutes. That means it's time to shampoo. So let me show you what shampoos I'm using. They're right down here. No, they're not. It's right here. So again, I'm using Flora & Co. This is their Scalp Refresh shampoo, another one from their Soothe Me line. I just felt like it would go really well with the Soothe Me product that I use up on my scalp just now. And also this is specifically for clarifying and just refreshing your scalp. So it makes sense to use this. Wait, I don't have a towel. Alright, I have a towel, I'm ready to go. Let's do it. I don't want my water to be too hot. We're going down. Okay, so I'm using that lukewarm water on my hair because I don't want to burn my hair or dry it out with really hot water. And now I'm just going through with the shampoo, removing all of that pre-poo oil that I just applied, as well as any build-up, product build-up and grease that was on my scalp as well. And then I rinse everything out. Hi guys, so really quickly before my hair starts dripping all over me, it's already starting. This is the deep conditioning treatment that I'm going to use. It's called the Botanical Repair Intensive Strengthening Mask, and it's by Aveda. I love Aveda because they really make it their mission to be more sustainable. They're really like front runners in that whole area. So this is the mask. I'm using this one because I really want to strengthen my hair. I said I wanted to use something. This mask is so thick. Never used it before, but I trust this brand. I like this brand. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this mask all over my hair. I'm being pretty heavy-handed with this because I want my hair to recover well. For me, that just means no expense is spared. Like, I will use the whole tub if I have to. Okay, first with the wide tooth comb. There's like a lot of product on my hair right now, like a lot of deep conditioner. That's exactly how I want it. And then I'm just going to wrap my hair around my head because this mask is going to use the heat from my head to help it get some power. So something that's really great to help this is a thermal cap. So I have this one by Coco and Eve. You can see it's like foil inlined in there. Okay, so this only says that you need to leave it on between 2 and 5 minutes. So I guess I'm gonna leave it on for 10. I never follow the instructions to a T. 10 minutes is gonna be fine for me. 10 minutes is gonna be great. Okay, so it's actually been more like half an hour. So I'm just gonna take my hair down. Okay, hair's feeling strong. I like it. So I need to rinse all of this out. Wow, it feels really strong. Like it feels like fortified. Fuerte. So this is what I'm going to use right now. This is the Bottega? This is the Aveda Botanical Repair Strengthening Leave-In Treatment. And then I have a couple of curling products that I want to use. So the first one is by Freshly Cosmetics. So this is Freshly brand. It's the Curly Vibes Defining Cream. I really like this one. It's really lightweight. But gives me a lot of definition, a lot of shine. It's like a really good all-rounder. I really like it. On top of that, I also want to go in with some curl defining gel because remember, I'm trying to get my curls back here. I don't know what's going to happen. I don't know how they're going to turn out. So I went and found my Denman brush because, as you know, Denman brushes are famous for helping you get the best definition out of your curly hair. So this is me trying to train my hair to go back to curly again. Okay, so my camera cut out just then. Basically, I've done the bottom section and now I'm going to do the top section. I'm being meticulous with this, you guys. I'm not taking any chances that my curls aren't ever going to come back. I'm gonna make sure that they come back healthy. It's looking good, guys. So disclaimer alert, if you wanna use a Denman brush to get curly hair, then you need to already have curly hair. These ones, they tend to dry in like really tight spirals. And I had it in one of my Instagram photos and people asked me how I did it and they were saying that I finger coiled it and I did this and that. And I said, nope, it's just a Denman brush. People didn't believe me for some reason. If you do your Denman brush in small enough sections, then that's what you will get. I'm just gonna scrunch all this excess water out of my hair because I don't want it to take forever to dry. The longer it takes to dry, the more likely you'll end up with some frizz. Now I'm just gonna plop it. I always forget how to plop. Like I do it all the time and I always forget how. I like to tie it at the front. I know this is such an awkward way of doing this, but just bear with me. Okay, because then I just want to shimmy the rest of my hair into this. I say shimmy, it's not cool. And then I tie this part up. It's the most awkward thing in the world. That is what I do. I'm gonna wait for my hair to dry for about an hour and then after that I am gonna use a hairdryer because I just do not have time to wait for it to dry the whole way. In that hour I'm just gonna do some cleaning. I'm gonna clean up this bathroom because it's a mess. You think I was kidding about the state of my bathroom, but yeah, I'll see you on the other side. Let's find out if my curls came back. Okay, so I went and I dried my hair off camera because I didn't want this video to be like a gazillion hours long and I cannot believe how my hair looks right now. Are you ready to see how it it turned out. I think I'm ready to show you. Okay, so here's my hair, you guys. Like, I don't know if it was just that routine. It must have been, because I feel like my curls have not looked this good in so long. Oh look, we got definition going all through the hair today. So this is just my advice to anyone who has naturally curly hair, who did straighten it and has had it straight for like 2 weeks or 3 weeks. There is like a specific routine that you guys should think about following, and this is the routine that I wanted to follow. I also gave my hair a cut when it was straight, and I think that it's shaped nicely into my curls. I'm just so happy. I'm so happy to have my volume back again. I feel so much more like me again. I feel good. So if you guys like this video, please thumbs it up. It has been a long time since I made one like this. Well, it feels like it anyway. I don't know if it feels like it to you guys. But yeah, thumbs up if you liked it. Also, leave me a comment down below. Tell me, when was the last time that you straightened your hair? And have you watched my hair straightening video yet? If not, it's right up there. Tell me what kind of video you want next. Subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.